It's gonna taste like that clotted cream smelled.
It's Vegemite. It's not a sandwich. I could fold it in half and then it would be a sandwich. All right, well, here goes. JT, you're right. It's ridiculously salty, but it's interesting. My wife is laughing. She won't dare take a bite of it.
No, because
Can I smile and give you a Vegemite sandwich?
there's no fried out combies inside.
Now it's a Vegemite sandwich. And JT, I know you said you didn't want me to hate it straight away. I'm not sure if that meant that I was supposed to take my time and build up to hating it. My wife is nodding yes. But, yay, Vegemite. What are you doing with the cat? Bring him over here. Give me the kitty.
You feed kitty Vegemite.
I'm not. No, I'm not going to feed the kitty Vegemite. Say hello, Snickers. All right, time to set the kitty down.
The only time in the world he's ever been silent.
Vegemite. Try some today.